Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc and BJP Manipur Pradesh condoled the death of BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham, who was martyred in cross-border firing in Pura sector of Jammu region on May 10th. Deepak Chingakham, who hails from Imphal East District's Yaripok Yambem, died on the line of duty. Mourning the death of the brave soldier, BJP State President Adhikari Mayum Sharda Devi said, Deepak Chingakham was a proud son of Manipur and his courage and devotion reflect the unwavering spirit and commitment of the Manipuri people. The BJP chief wrote that people of Manipur and the country stand with his family and comrades in this time of grief. His sacrifice will not be forgotten. On the other hand, Mpcc President Kasham Meghachandra also condoled the demise of Constable Deepak Chingakham of the Border Security Force and asserted that Constable Deepak Chingakham served the nation with unwavering dedication and remarkable courage. His valiant actions in the line of duty reflect the highest ideals of patriotism and sacrifice. The people of Manipur and indeed the entire nation are proud of his bravery and commitment. We will remember him for his supreme sacrifice for our motherland.